In this exercise, we're going to talk about creating breakout rooms for when we're running a Teams meeting. Now, what the heck is a breakout room? A breakout room is similar to, I think of it as a big conference room. Off the sides of the conference room might be smaller conference rooms so that we can take a large group of people and put them into their respective groups, such as engineering, maybe R&D, or marketing, customer service, for them to discuss amongst themselves ideas or plans coming up. And then they can come back and join the main meeting and share their conclusions. In order to do our breakout room, we're going to come over to our calendar and I'm going to click New Meeting. The first thing I want to do is just establish a meeting. So I'm going to give this a title of 4th Street Project. I'm going to add one attendee here, at least one. And then I'm going to change the date to a month in advance here. Friday the 28th seems to be pretty popular here, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to change it just a little bit here. I'm going to click Send. Next, I want to navigate to that particular meeting that we just created and open it. So now here we are, we've opened the Teams meeting that we created just a month ago, and you'll notice up here we have breakout rooms now available to us. What I want to do is I'm going to click this one time, and what we're in the process of doing is creating breakout rooms prior to the actual meeting running. In a moment I'll show you what it looks like to create breakout rooms when you have a meeting actual running and haven't created them prior to the meeting. So I'm going to come down here and click on Create Rooms. It's going to ask me how many rooms do I need. I'm going to click this drop down and choose 3 and then click Add Rooms. Now here we are. We have these rooms created. Now in this case I want to rename these rooms from room 1, 2, 3. That's a bit too generic. I'm going to click the ellipses right here for room 1 and then choose Rename. I'm going to click inside here, select this, and I want to rename this as Design Team, and then click Rename. And then I want to rename room 2 and 3 as well, just like that. So now they've been named accordingly, so it makes a better sense for the groups that are getting put in there. Now that concludes the exercise in the book, but let's run this and take a look at what this looks like. Here we are in the running meeting. Of course, I'm the only one in here right now, but if I go to Rooms, it's going to show me the list of existing rooms that have been pre-created. I could then also assign participants to these rooms. If I click this, I would select the participants or attendees from here, click on them, and then assign a particular room to them. There's no one in here right now, so I'm going to click Cancel. Now here I am in a customer feedback meeting where rooms were not previously created, but I'm in the meeting, and in this hypothetical I might have a group of people during this meeting. I could click right here at Rooms. I didn't create rooms prior to this, but I could choose the number of rooms right here, however many I need. I'll leave it on 2 right now. And then I have a choice here. Automatically assign however many people are in the meeting to be divided up equally amongst these rooms here. Otherwise, I could manually assign rooms. Pretty simple. After I set this up, I would click Create Rooms and everything would be created for us. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to close this down. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me for creating breakout rooms. Hope this was helpful, and I hope you join us for the next exercise. Take care.